Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open a live trading account right here on Admirals. It's quite simple, but you need to know a few things. And that is if you click right here on the open live account and we click here on starting setting up, they will ask you some questions. So you need to give them answers on all the questions and they need to be correctly, otherwise you can get access for the live trading option. So what I'm going to do is I will go through all the questions right here and then I'll be back right there to show you that this is the way how to get a live trading account. So I will start right now with answering the questions. Okay, we did the 4 questions and that one is fine. So now we are going to the second one. So let's go to the second one. And the second one is also done. So that's it. And now we go to the third one. And there we go. Now we did all the 4 options and now we need to submit and get an offer. So there we go. And now we click here on continue. And now we need to do a complete verification personally. So we will do this real quick. And now we are here at the last step. And this is a one that you need to check very carefully because there wrote down a lot of information right here. So if you have questions about something, click on it and then you can read it. But after this, you check the marks right there. And then we click here on continue. And then we go further, and then right now, if you can see, we need to verify ourselves with thumbs up. So we will do this real quick. And then right now we are under review right here at this screen. So you can see right here that we just need to wait to verify our profile. And then after that, we can open a live account. So what we're going to do right now is wait for this. Then after that, we can open our live account right there. And this is exactly what you need to know to open your real life trading account. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.